Hey, my name is Cole. I make over and restore furniture for a living, so I've got a little bit of experience with products like this. We recently installed a new kitchen and we've got a solid oak worktop, so I chose Osmo Oil to protect it. So I'm going to tell you how I did it, what I think of it, and what the final product looked like. Now, this is the Clear Matte 3058. This is the exact one that I used. On one morning, I applied one coat with a roller. I let that soak in. I didn't rub it in or anything like that. And then that evening, I went over with a 400 grit sandpaper really lightly, just a very light scuff sand. I then wiped it down and I applied a second coat with a lint-free cloth. In the morning, I did the exact same thing again with the sandpaper and the lint-free cloth. And that evening, it was just looking absolutely perfect. I was so happy with it. A really silky smooth finish. The grain was popping. It didn't alter the color too much like some oils can. And you can see here, it holds up really well to all those spills. So yeah, if you're considering using this for your solid oak worktop, I highly recommend it. It was really easy to use and we are really thrilled with the results. I think you can expect, if you look after your worktops, to get away with it every 12 months. So yeah, if you're looking for something, I highly recommend this Osmo Oil.